Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林澤少。So this month we're teaching people about traveling, but today we're going to go into something that is, well, let's say a little bit on the unwell side. Sometimes when you travel, you're in a car, you're on a boat, you're going to get seasick or car sick. And if you're in trouble, you need to know how to say it in Hakka sometimes, right? So we're going to teach you this. Let's start off with 我晕车了, I'm car sick.
我晕茶了。
我晕茶了。茶就是车嘛，对不对？
对。
晕就是昏啊，晕。
对，昏啊。
All right, that means I'm car sick right now. 那如果在船上就我晕船了。
我晕船了。
真的好像哦。
对，晕船的人就讲话就这样，
对啊，
不太会讲话一样。
对，其实有点像酒醉一样。对啊，我晕船了。Okay, one of the effects or the conclusion of car sick or seasick, unfortunately, is throwing up. 哦，好想吐哦。
我当上爱喷哦。
喷哦，被喷哦。哦，你好恶心哦！你还要这么严重吗？对啊，喷哦就是
吐了。
I hope this is not making anyone sick at home right now. 好想吐了，我当上爱喷哦。
Yeah.
That means I feel like throwing up. I have a bad stomach right now. I need to vomit. And then you're gonna say, 快把塑胶袋给我哦，快拿塑胶袋给我。Please hurry up, give me the plastic bag.
卡强拿。
卡强拿就是快点拿的。All right.
塑胶袋的本啊。
塑膠袋嘅 that's a plastic bag. 本來就 that means give it to me.
對。
本話給你。All right. And then finally, if you're driving and your friend is car sick or your family member is car sick, you want to say 要不要在路旁停一下哦，要關心一下，讓他不要再暈了嘛哦。Should I stop on the roadside for you to rest?
愛是都蘆筍。
哈，吃蘆筍嗎？
不是，
吃蘆筍會致暈船是？
不
暈車是不是？
是啦，蘆筍就是路旁。
哦，蘆筍是路旁哦。
對啦。
It sounds like asparagus. I thought she has a remedy for, car sick. Okay, 愛是都蘆筍. Okay, that's actually curbside, roadside.
停一下嘛。
哦，停一下嘛 that means park a little, all right?
那海陸腔的路旁，蘆筍。
哦，蘆筍也又更像蘆筍啦。所以四海的更會吃蘆筍來治暈車了。
你隨便說說。
隨便開玩笑，OK? That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太敢？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.